Black Knight Satellite, unknown origin. High above the Earth, orbiting silently in the darkness of space, lies one of the most perplexing mysteries ever encountered by humankind. The Black Knight Satellite. Unlike any man-made object, this enigmatic entity has allegedly been circling our planet for thousands of years, broadcasting signals that have baffled scientists and governments alike. Its origin, purpose, and creators remain unknown, but for those who have dared to investigate, the implications are nothing short of extraordinary. The story of the Black Knight Satellite begins in the late 19th century, when Nikola Tesla, the genius inventor and pioneer of wireless technology, claimed to have detected strange radio signals originating from space. Tesla was convinced that the signals were not of terrestrial origin, suggesting that they could be attempts at communication from an advanced extraterrestrial civilization. But at the time, his claims were dismissed as eccentric ramblings, and the mystery of the signals was largely forgotten. Fast forward to 1954, when a series of startling revelations reignited interest in the strange object orbiting Earth. Newspapers reported that the U.S. Air Force had detected an unidentified object in polar orbit, an orbit that no man-made satellite had ever achieved at that time. The object was massive, estimated to be several tons, far beyond the technological capability of any known nation to launch. But despite these reports, the story quickly disappeared from public consciousness, buried under layers of denial and misinformation. Then, in 1960, the Black Knight satellite made its most dramatic appearance. The U.S. Navy's radar systems, designed to detect Soviet missiles during the Cold War, locked onto an unidentified object orbiting the Earth in a polar trajectory. The object, unlike any known satellite, appeared to be transmitting a strange signal, a repeating pattern that defied all conventional understanding. What was even more perplexing was the object's erratic behavior, shifting its orbit in ways that suggested intelligent control. Photographs of the object were captured by the STS-88 space shuttle mission in 1998, sparking a new wave of speculation. The images showed an angular, dark object drifting silently against the backdrop of Earth. But while NASA dismissed the object as space debris, possibly a thermal blanket from a previous mission, many experts and conspiracy theorists were not convinced. The shape, size, and movement of the object didn't match any known debris, leading to the conclusion that the Black Knight was something far more complex and mysterious. Perhaps the most chilling aspect of the Black Knight satellite is the signal it allegedly transmitted. In the 1970s, Scottish researcher Duncan Lunan claimed to have decoded the signals coming from the object, suggesting that they contained a star map pointing to the Epsilon Bootis star system, located 13,000 light-years away. According to Lunan, the message indicated that the Black Knight was a beacon, possibly sent by an ancient extraterrestrial civilization to observe and communicate with humanity. If true, this would mean that the Black Knight satellite had been silently watching Earth for millennia, a cosmic sentinel keeping an unblinking eye on our planet. But if the Black Knight is of alien origin, what is its purpose? Some theorists suggest that it's a surveillance device, monitoring human activity and technological progress. Others believe it could be part of a vast cosmic network, a relay system designed to transmit information across the galaxy. The more sinister theories propose that the Black Knight is a warning, a harbinger of an impending event that could alter the course of human history. Despite decades of speculation and investigation, the truth about the Black Knight satellite remains elusive. NASA continues to deny any extraterrestrial connection, insisting that the object is nothing more than space junk. But for those who have studied the evidence, the inconsistencies, and the strange anomalies surrounding the Black Knight, the official explanations fall short. The most unsettling question remains unanswered. If the Black Knight satellite is not of human origin, who sent it, and why? As humanity prepares to venture deeper into space, we may one day confront the truth about this ancient watcher. Until then, The Black Knight satellite continues to orbit silently above us, an enigmatic reminder that we may not be alone in the universe, and that something, or someone, has been observing us for far longer than we can comprehend.